busted shut. Plugged in the short power, you can see the cord lined up going into the garage. There's the rear window. 2017 Forest River Crusader Keystone, made by Keystone and Forest River. Pretty cool looking, but it's a dandy. Pause if you want to read these. Now let's go inside. Okay. There we go. And there's a full range kitchen with a dinette, fruit dinette. Full range love seat with storage in the middle. And the table here, right here. 2 windows. Full range couch, which comes out into a mattress bed. Storage right in between. Oh, my grandpa Bob just turned on the lights. Okay. This table. There's some storage cabinets here.
You'll have to look at the new zinc I put in the bathroom
Oh, okay.
when you get in there.
Alright. Microwave convection oven, full range chef oven, and refrigerator with freezer. Pretty sure it's locked right now. There we go. Refrigerator with freezer. Oops, sorry.
That's alright, just stick that up.
Alright, just give me a minute. Controls for the slides and lights. Now, before we go into the bedroom, we're gonna go to the bathroom. Check out the new sink they just got installed. And their new mirror. Here's a slide out closet. Actually, it's not slide out. It just leads into the bedroom. For full range shower. With a skylight. So when a helicopter flies above you, you can see it, but can't see the sky right now because it's fogging. Alright. Private divider of the bedroom. Fortunately, it won't open. Sink. Here's the sink. My cousin Emma has that in her bathroom. So, yep. 4-range shower. Toilet. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Yeah, there's the pillow right down there. You can see. Now we are gonna come on this way. Gotta pull the door open all the way. There we go. Into the bedroom. The slide's all the way in. That's why you saw the big thing that's in here. Here's the bedroom. Cool looking, isn't it? Cool. There's a skylight up above.
You want me to put the slide out?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
My grandpa Bob is going to show you the slide, and then we'll go on ahead and walk outside and show you. And I'm going to show you what it looks like from the outside. As you can see, putting out the slide, it's a little noisy. So you can see the rear wardrobe sliding back.
There you go.
Thank you. Can I walk over here? There's the light switch for the bedroom. Careful. And here's the wardrobe closet. There's an additional wardrobe over there. I'm going to put my foot up here and see if I can open it right from here. There we go. Now I'm going to show you that private divider I was telling you guys about. Coat hanger, smoke detector, speaker for the stereo, which we'll have a look at here in a minute. Here's the private divider. Actually, it's locked right now for some reason. Alright, now we're going to go on ahead and go outside and show you what the slide looks like from out there. Shut the door.
Are you done in here, Jay?
Yeah, I'm just going to show everyone what the slide looks like from the outside. Okay, everyone, let's go.
Are you done inside?
I'll get the door on the way out.
Okay, I'll be out.
Let's go over here and see what the slide looks like. Ah? Cool looking, huh? Here's the baggage door I showed you earlier. Water supply and storage. Okay, everyone. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you next time. And I wish you all a happy Easter. Thank you. And good day.